Alright guys, so one of my buddies has a single cam that they swapped out to put another motor in, and he said I could have it. So I'm on the way over to pick it up right now. His name's Tommy. He's been on the channel before. He's got the K-swap fit that's like fucking beautiful. I don't know what to use it, but hopefully I can get some cool shots of that today. He's made a lot of progress. And another thing is, he asked me to bring one of my VMS wheels just to kind of test fit it, see if the offset looks right, the tire size, because he's got like Brambos on there and not every wheel clears the big brakes on that car. So yeah, we're gonna just, I don't know, hopefully pick up the motor, test fit the VMS wheel on his K-swap fit, and that's pretty much it. I got my sidekick with me. Say hi. Here it is, guys. He's gonna have to tell us about the progress. From what I've seen, I mean, I think last time I saw the car, none of this was here, none of this piping. I think the only thing it had was the turbo hooked up to the turbo manifold. Get him to say what's going on and what's different, what's left. Here's the motor that I'm gonna pick up. It's gonna be fun loading this into the truck, but it even comes with a head. I wasn't sure if it was a short block or long block, but pretty cool to have the head. It is just a Y7, but I could just put my Y8 head on here and just make it work. Kind of make one motor out of two. But yeah, it looks like a pretty good motor. Should be fine. Just loading it up is gonna be hard. I like those wheels.
I do too. They're the Mugen something rips.
Yeah. Oh, that's a road? Yeah. You put the stripes down the middle too? Oh, for your car, is that for the Hot Wheels? It's about to see if this VMS wheel fits. The biggest thing is like clearing the brakes, right?
Yeah. This is the Fast Brakes 11 point something rotor, and I don't really know the exact offset of it, but they built it to clear 16s and stuff.
You've never tried a 15 on here yet? A 15, because the ones from the 4-door were 16s.
Yeah.
Damn.
This is gonna be the smallest wheel it's had on it since I bought the car.
So you don't know if a 15 can actually work?
Not with the big brake kit.
Oh, it's gonna be interesting.
About to find out.
I should have cleaned it up.
Woo! It's nice. It's actually not bad.
Man, I hope it fits.
That. It's really not that wide. These are 8s or what?
Yeah, it's just a 15 by 8. I think, what's the size on there? 225, 45. People do like a 245 on a 15 by 10.
Daddy, look it.
Hold up. I'm trying to see if this fits real quick.
Ooh, they touch.
They touch the brake or the...
Yeah, they touch the brakes.
Damn.
Look it.
Damn. But different hub offsets. I could run
Or a spacer?
a nice spacer, but I need studs. I'll never run a spacer without studs. Kind of tempted to just like bolt it on half-ass. I gotta see it on the ground.
Man, those wheel boards are like causing a lot of issues with like aftermarket wheels.
Yeah, realistically, this big brake kit was bought when I wasn't trying to, like run quarter mile and stuff like that. This is whenever I was still wanting to like do that half mile stuff that you don't really hear about in Texas a whole lot anymore.
Yeah.
It was popular 2 years ago. Still out there, but gotta have like 1,000 horsepower. Let's see. I'm gonna end up selling this kit. Yeah, see, it's on it. I'm gonna end up selling this kit and going to a smaller, you know, like which you're seeing a lot of sports on the drag car.
Yeah.
This big brake kit's cool.
Just so you can run like more of a drag setup or what?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just want to see what it looks like.
Yeah.
At least you can see the tire size. Like,
Ooh, that's greedy right there, man. That is where it's at.
that looks badass.
It looks great.
That's a good tire size.
That's a great tire size, bro. You are pretty damn good at picking wheels and tires.
Not that Nitto, dude. That Nitto I got.
Bro, that Nitto was awesome.
It was.
It looked great on my car.
It was huge.
Great backwards, but it was great.
All right, picture time.
You're good.
Why don't you cut? You can't cut the wheel a little bit?
Solid trailing arm.
Uh huh.
These are not independent rear suspension, right? So it has a bolt-up point to the chassis there, and a bolt-up point to the chassis there, and then shock to body, shock to body. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a custom set of Viking coilovers for the rear.
Like an all-in-one coilover
Yeah.
instead of separate like this.
Yeah, so that way I can run like super dampening.
It helps having the machined like.
Yeah, the silver accents.
Yeah, it doesn't disappear. Yeah, if it was all black, you kind of get lost between the bow and the tire, I guess.
That's why I like the black classics with the silver hardware.
I think he likes the wheels, but I'm not sure.
No take back.
Oh shit.
They don't even fit.
You have?
A taco.
You made me a taco?
Mm-hmm.
You're so nice. Can you try it and tell me how it tastes?
Good. The rotten cheese too.
Man, loading that motor is gonna suck, huh?
No. If you back up right here, we got it. Oh, Daniel. He's supposed to be. Oh, Daniel said that he's on the way. Boom. Don't touch it.
All right.
Sounds like a good
so I
idea.
can let you two do it? Cool.
Yeah.
No. Huh? That's gonna be the new engine for the green Civic.
Green Civic?
Yeah, the one that I'm painting white.
The last get sticky or what?
Oh, forgot about that. Yeah. That's gonna be a big fucking problem.
I can get the flathead.
All right. I forgot the tailgate gets stuck. We're gonna have to find a way to open the tailgate because we can't lift it over the bed. Is there oil in there? Is that fluid? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we did.
That's cool. I'm gonna leave like an oil slick behind me going down the highway.
Yeah, no, we didn't drain it.
It's all good. Do you need a strap?
Yeah,
I got that.
You can just bring it.
All right, yeah.
Or something.
I guess. Hey, you need to get down from there.
No. It ain't got drains. Keep it right here in the back.
Yeah, maybe we could just rest it against the tailgate or something, you know?
Yeah.
Dang, but that's cool, right?
Hmm?
Dang, that's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Give it a shake test. All right. I'm gonna have to get some clips of that truck. What's it called?
How's it?
Yeah.
It's a Daihatsu, right?
Daihatsu. All right. So what is this thing?
It's a K truck, I guess that's what they call them, but it's a Daihatsu High Jet.
Daihatsu Hi-Jet.
It's like a Japanese S10.
It's so cute.
It's got these awesome little folding beds beside.
My God, the tires are so small.
Look at how everything is folded up. This is the ultimate weekend junkyard parts truck.
Drum carrier.
Grom carrier is what it's mainly for, but put an engine hoist in there, your toolbox, an extra motor, a transmission.
The tires are the same size as drum tires.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're 12-inch wheels.
Straight from Japan.
Daddy, oil.
Oh, yeah. I made a mess. It has a transmission fluid leak.
Oh, that's fine. I've seen that. Driveway's always got leaks in it. Yeah, I think.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it's a real bad leak.
What's it leaking out the cooler or what?
No, the
Front line?
the input shaft seal.
Oh. That'll do it.
Yeah, that'll do it. This is pretty bad. Oh, you got a little mini me right here on the dash.
Yeah.
You got one of them. You got.
It's the same thing. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. I can give you more updates on the Honda Fit. Should be seeing that again here pretty soon. And yeah, I'm going to throw that motor into the 2-door and get it back on the road. And I think I'm going to go back to my original plan and turn the 4-door into the race car. But I don't know, I'm changing my mind like every other day. But anyways, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. See you later.